So before I open, I just want to show you the shipping, how it came in. It came in very good on the pallet. X Pro 125cc quad automatic. That's I got from the eBay. It just came this morning, so I'm going to start it assembling. That looks like a nice packing. Huh? Let's start. That is actually blue color came inside. Let's see. Wow, nice. This came in actually metal frame, very strong. It does looks like there is nothing wrong with this packing. So let me take it out. We did unscrew everything. Let me remove the frame. So the top portion has been removed. So that is the packing came in. So we just unassemble the packing. That is the stuff here, and some other stuff is here. So we are going to ready to make it assembly. So that is the back wheel. You can see the wheel. I'm going to fit this one. Good. That is very easy to do this, and that is the front. And here is, this piece is going at the front. That is the second piece. Here is the screw. And here is the lock pin at the front, and that wheel will be ready. And the front wheel have the screws, 4 screws. So we will tight the screws. There you go. So we install the 4 wheel. That's the first step we did. And now we are going to look on the steering. These are the parts we have. We already did line up. We are going to start the handle installation. So these two will go like this way, and this and this. They will make like this way. 2 screws like this way, and the handlebar will be here and here. I'll show you there. So this part will go here, and it will remain here. The other part will go on the top, and we will fix it like this way. Here and here. We will make it tight, and the same thing is these 2 pieces. One piece is going underneath here. Just leave it down here, and the other piece is going to be like this way and this way, and that is going on the top of these two. There you go. And then we install the plastic cover on this one, just pushing it down like this way. And now we have these four will go on the wheel like this way. They will go on the wheel like this way. So you can see we fixed this cover on this one here and here. Look. Okay, so one light is going here. The other light is going on this side. So this is the stand. Make sure these two sides is on my side, and this is going to facing on my side. So I'm going to fix this. Just make it tight like this way together. So that is ready. That is going to be installed here on the bottom, and here I have the screws that is going to be there. So you can see that part is ready. That is assembled. Now going to install that part is left and that is left. So that part is going to be here and here. So it's ready. We did installation, the lights. It's not a big issue. Now I'm going to fill the air in all the four tires, and then fill the gas tank, make it ready. So I bring some gasoline and I'm going to fill the tank. I did just a regular gasoline, 87. Yeah, let me see. So now we are filling the air with the air compressor to make sure the enough air. Then we will turn on the engine first time. So we just fill the air. The gentleman is ready to ride. Let's try to turn the engine on. Bhaiya, come here. Press this button. Okay. So turn the key on, hold this, then press the button. Wow, amazing. It just start on the first click on the first time. Because we just started, so I think that might need the choke to start. Isko press karo bhaiya. Let me turn on. Yes. So might be that need the choke. So it starts, so it's good. So that is really good. The kids just fixed the X-Pro flag on the back side. They're excited. Yes, they're trying to ride the reverse first time. He's learning. Yes. Thank you very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe my channel.